Well, see, the added responsibility is sometimes good. It works in your favor because you can share your experience of what a youngster can do. And mainly, see, even as a player, even if I'm not vice captain, I always try and share my experience whenever I can. So that responsibility is yes, I'm being vice captain, but the ultimate focus is about the Indian team, the way we can move forward, and there's another Test Championship going on. So you would like to be on the top and try and get as many points as possible. Good thing is I was part of the IPL, so yes, I'm playing after 3 months, but I was still part of the IPL team where I could practice. I used to train, so I'm still in touch with the game. It's not that the preparation hasn't been there. We also had a camp of 5 days at Mumbai, so that preparation will also help. Oh, he's a great player. I think there are times where a player goes through a tough time, and that's part of this game. So there'll be ups and downs, but I feel he's a confident player. He's someone who works hard on his game, and I'm very sure that he's just one innings away. Once he gets a big score, once he gets a big 100, he'll be back in form. He has been working hard in the nets. I've seen the way he has been batting. So he's in good touch and hoping that he will score big runs in this series. Yes, it will. And see, when it comes to performing, I feel that the mindset was little different. But when it comes to technique, I don't think there was a major change in technique. It was just the approach, and I was little fearless, which helps. I feel that you don't need to put too much pressure on yourself, and just try and go there and enjoy the game rather than worrying too much about what's going around. So that was my mindset during the England series, and so far the preparation has been good. So and the experience of playing in the Indian conditions, it's there. So I'm sure that that will help in next couple of test matches. Well, after the WTC finals, all of us were hurt. We lost in the finals, but we came back strongly in England. We played very good cricket. So now team is back together. We are confident unit, and yes, we have new coach Rahul Bhai is there. So that will help most of the players, especially the young players who has worked with Rahul Bhai in during under 19 in India A series, and even someone like us who are experienced players. I've played with Rahul Bhai, I've worked with Rahul Bhai during the A series. So yeah, all of us are looking forward for his guidance, and with the amount of experience he has as a player and even as a coach, that will help the team. देखिए, नील वैगनर की अगर बात करें तो ही इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट bowlers in New Zealand lineup. So we'll have our strategies prepared against him. We also have played him in 2017 in India when we played a series against New Zealand. तो इंडियन कंडीशन में कैसे गेंदबाजी करते हैं, ओवरसीज़ कैसे गेंदबाजी करते हैं, वो हमें पता है, और उसी हिसाब से उनके सामने रणनीति बनाएंगे। और अगर मेरे शतक की बात करूँ तो आई बीन स्कोरिंग रन्स, जो 50 80 90 रन बन रहे हैं, शतक नहीं बनाए, बट I'm not worried about the score. I think as long as I keep batting well, as long as I keep contributing to the team's total, I'm happy with that. And it's matter of one innings. I mean, शतक तो जब लगना होगा तब लग ही जाएगा, बट माई फोकस इज टू प्रिपेयर वेल, अच्छी बैटिंग करनी है, एंड एज लॉन्ग एज आई कीप डूइंग दैट, द बिग वन इज अराउंड द कॉर्नर. Well, I can't reveal that at this stage, but see, he's a talented player, and definitely he'll be part of the team. So someone like him, he doesn't need to worry too much. He has been playing good cricket for over a year or a couple of years since he has made the debut. It was unfortunate that he missed out in England, but he's a talented player, and I don't think personally I will need to tell him much. Rahul Bhai is there; he will get the best guidance. So I think he will just have to play his natural game. Well, I don't know what I mean. I can't reveal the position he will bat at, But yeah, he's well prepared, and I'm sure he's looking forward to this series. Well, we have that advantage, but we can't take New Zealand team lightly at all. They have played excellent cricket throughout the world, and they are a good side in all the formats. So we will stick to our game plans. We'll stick to what we know how to play in Indian conditions. Yes, there will be strategies depending on who the batter is, or who the bowler is. But overall, I think we will try and focus on our game plans, and we want to play good cricket. And yes, I mean New Zealand is a competitive team, so we won't take them lightly at all.